So this is what I'm dealing with today. I got a 2007 F350 and my tire blew out, right? I finally got the spare off. You can tell, couldn't happen at a worse time. Plowing snow, right? So the tire blows out. To get that spare off, which is under the truck, you have to go behind the seat. There's these long bars with a handle. So I had to take my spreader off to get to a little hole by the license plate. So pull this up, get this out of the way, stick this in the hole to crank down the spare tire, which was up there. I did get this off, but let me show you this. I'm under the truck, there's the hole. The rod goes into this plastic guide, and I'm cranking and cranking, and nothing's coming down. I can't get it down. So I take this off. I just grab this, twist it, pull it out. Come on. Jeez. Okay, get this out. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but what the hell is this? What is that? That's like something you get on your lug nuts so nobody will steal your tires. But it's on this thing. So I'm like, what do I do with this? So now I'm tearing the truck apart. I'm looking all through the back of the seat. I'm in the glove box. I'm tearing stuff apart. I can't find anything. All of a sudden I find this thing. This is a lock key. Fortunately, it was in there. I'm like, what is this? So apparently you got to put this in the end of the rod to crank that down. But if I didn't have this, I was getting to the point I was going to just cut the cable and let the tire drop, because this is crazy. What if you didn't have this? In fact, they're all different. Crazy, but I don't know. This was half the battle just trying to change the tire. So, tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.